Dozer.
Who wants to eat? Besides you. Evil Child wants to eat. Yes. Although it's got a full belly.
Oh, Tulip wants some.
Oh, Tulip wants some. Tulip wants some.
Stop being greedy.
Let Tulip have it. She's adept at stealing it too.
Yeah. She'll just grunt at it. And Runty's gonna eat some hay. And Bulldozer gets it again. He's a head taller than everyone else.
Oh, at least. Let her have some. Let her have some. Oh, it's empty. What happened? How many bottles have we had?
At least, I think that was your fourth one.
See what I'm telling you? You just made this.
Oh, yeah, no, they go through at least 2 gallons a day.
Yeah. How about my baby?
You have to grab her, pull her out of here.
Yeah. She only eats when she's being helped. You are a hog. You need some? You need some? Oh, Tulip Child needs some.
Tulip Child's probably gotten the least besides Runty.
Alright, Tulip Child needs it. Tulip Child's getting it. No. Get off Tulip Child. Let Tulip Child eat.
Oh, get off of her.
Let Tulip Child eat.
Oh, Tulip Child
Child
never.
didn't stand a chance. That one's belly's looking good.
You know, look at his belly.
You're looking good.
He's swollen out. You want me to grab Runt?
Y'all can't tell. You don't know Tulip Child's been eating.